Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I've got a whole bunch of unboxings. Wait, look. This is my New Year's sweater. I don't know if you can see all the little sparklies. Look at all the fun sparklies, y'all. They're little rhinestones. And it says something that my mother used to always say at the end of a card or a letter or a conversation. She'd say, cheers. So I saw this. I was like, okay, I'm going to have that. All right, I've got to zoom this out just a little bit like that. Is that better? Yes, because I got some things to show you. All right, so first, I've been meaning to show you this for a while now. This is from Amazon, and these are really cool, y'all. I got a whole bunch of them, but what they are, oh, I thought it was on here. They're just different little, I was going to open this last one with you. It's an unboxing. By the way, y'all, my hair, y'all know that the new style that's coming into play is called the wolf haircut. And I think all it really is just where you had layers and you went outside like I just did, where it's kind of fizzy raining. Do you know what I'm talking about? Where it's like drizzly raining, so there's moisture in the air. And you may have just styled your hair and it doesn't matter. It's going to do this. Like, it just kind of kinks up and does all these little, not quite a ringlet. Well, that's called the wolf hairstyle now. It's going to be in fashion this year. So I got the wolf hairstyle going on. And I also got these cool little earrings, y'all. I got these on Amazon too. They were like a couple of, I don't know, they're like less than 20 bucks. But look how the front is a half moon and then the back's a half moon. And it's kind of swingy. And I thought that would go good with my little New Year's sweater. Okay. What are these? These are little inserts that you put in your drawers. So like this would obviously be for a deep drawer. But you can roll things up and put them in there and it helps keep them organized. Like you could put socks in here. You could put underwear in here. You could roll up jeans. That's actually what this is for. It shows you a special way you can roll up your jeans and put them here. That won't be me. I'm not doing that. But anyway, I am going to use that. And then I also got these other ones that's for a little more. Let me show you the difference. See how much deeper that is than that? These are for my bedside table. I'm not sure where I'm going to use them all yet. I've got a bunch of them. But do you see that? So that could be for socks or rolled up underwear. Look at that. Or who knows? Just it's a way to divide things. And because it's soft material, it's not bound by the drawer shape. And some, drawers are just a rectangle, but some aren't. Some bow out in the front. All that kind of stuff. And maybe you just want to slide this in a box under your bed. You don't know. So I got, I think it was two different kinds. The little short one and then this tall one. Yeah, because these keep, oh, that one's a little, not quite as tall. Oh, I know what this one is. This one's for bras. And you know what? I have all my bras hanging up on the back of the door. I don't know where y'all hang y'all's or whether you put them in drawers or how you do yours. But mine are not organized. And I don't want them on the back of the bathroom door anymore. So do you see how it's elongated? So you kind of fold it in half and then put them in here in a drawer. And I thought that would be a lot better way of keeping it. So maybe underwear, socks. I don't know. Okay, so the next thing. I may have to do two videos because this one, right after I said I'm not going to be buying makeup or anything like that this year, I think I have an addiction. I think it's truly something I enjoy. Someone asked me the other day, your makeup always looks so good. And I was like, oh, thank you very much. And they said, I just don't know how to apply it. I said, to me, it's fun. It's art. It's just art. So, these are some of the things I got. And I think I may take a good bit of it back. Because the more I thought about it, I thought, you didn't need all that. But then again, I could use it for giveaways. I don't know. So, we'll see. It was like one of the last in the store. All their Christmas sets are gone. And this was Sephora, which I like. I begin to feel like I like Ulta almost better in my area, but just the experience, I don't know. Then it used to be a terrible experience at Ulta. The service was terrible, but I don't know. Bottom line is, this Sephora is always running out of stuff. I don't know if it's a bad buying problem, an inventory storage area problem, or if it's supply chain issue, whatever. But these are out. And what I liked about this, I always like their packaging, Too Faced packaging, because it's pink and gold, and I love pink and gold. But this comes with 3 separate palettes, and I don't need all 3. So I thought, well, I'll do a Christmas giveaway. Well, obviously, y'all know I hadn't even had time to do Advent Bible studies and all that kind of stuff. I didn't have time to get together and get a giveaway, so I am going to do an early New Year's giveaway. So I may put one of these in there. And I think there's really, you know, this is a neutral. I've got so many neutral palettes, I'm thinking that's the one I'll give, because anybody could use a neutral palette like that, different browns. And then this one, that one's a little warmer. This one's a little cooler. So I may do those. And I think I'm going to keep this one, the mint colored one, because it's cooler and it's got the tones that I like and a blush. I like the fact that it's got eyeshadow and blush, because then if you just want to take that on a trip with you, it is so easy. Does it smell like chocolate? It smells like something. Coconut. Anyway, so I'm probably going to keep this one. I basically know I'm going to keep this one. But these two, what do y'all think? Would you put them in a giveaway? Even though it's Christmassy and it'll be after New Year's? What do y'all think? Comment below on whether or not you would want that. Or do you even care what's on the front of it if you just get some makeup? Okay. What else did I get? Oh, I wanted to try this mascara. Y'all know I'm always in the market for trying a new mascara. So if y'all have a mascara you love, please comment below. What is your favorite mascara and why? Like, what do you like about it? Because sometimes, I used to always say it had to be waterproof. Like today I'm wearing my Chanel Inimitable because it's waterproof. But then it was almost out, so it was kind of drying out. And I went ahead and used, I think it's the Benefit Big Bang? Big Bad Girl? I don't know. I've showed it to y'all before. I did a review on it, but I really do like it. I do like Benefit makeup a lot. And so I had wanted to try this for a long time, and this is Grande Cosmetics. I didn't even realize that this brand. I thought it was Grande in another brand. But that is the brand, Grande Drama. Okay, the reason I got this is because it has castor oil in it. And that is one of the things that if you use like cold pressed black castor oil, it really will help your hair to grow if you put it on your eyebrows and your lashes. But I think you also have to be real careful with it. Why is this not opening? Has it got a sealed? There. It did. Alright, so it's a very fat little packaging piece. And it's a brush spoolie versus combs. So we'll see. It's got that kind of butterfly. It's big on the ends, a little in the middle. And that's supposed to really help with coverage. So we'll see. It does not say it's waterproof. And y'all know that's really important to me to have waterproof. So, but I am going to try it. It says bold, thick, bold, intense lashes, and 91% said it didn't flake. 94% said they saw thicker lashes, and it's based on a consumer study with 32 subjects. Do I believe that? I guess. They probably have to do something to make a claim. Anyway, it says intense thickening mascara. Not sure what's in it that thickens it, but a lot of mascaras do thicken up if you add more than one or two coats. So we'll see. It says, say goodbye to wimpy lashes. Grande Drama is an intense thickening mascara infused with castor oil to promote lush, dense looking lashes with unbeatable shine and glossiness. This unique buildable formula instantly lifts, thickens, and adds volume like never before, designed with to combat clumping. The subtle hourglass, not butterfly, sorry, hourglass shaped brush is not overly dense, allowing you to work the formula between your lashes to individually thicken and separate. That keeps it from clumping. So that, which is the same thing as a comb spoolie versus a brush spoolie. So they're saying because the hourglass shape and it's not so densely made that your lashes will push through and it will help break some of it off. That's what happens. And then when you add it back, you get more long looking lashes versus big huge clumps of makeup. So we'll see. I'll let y'all know. We'll do a get ready with me and we'll see how it looks. I also got this Perfect Strokes matte liquid liner in black from Rare Beauty. That's Selena Gomez's makeup line. And I like her, I think. I mean, I don't know her. But I know we watched her grow up with her love affair with Justin Bieber, and they broke it off, and it was probably very difficult, like all, first loves are. And so, I think it's good that she has invested in something besides music, because she also had some health problems. It just went to show you money doesn't make you happy, and it doesn't guarantee you health. And also, she wasn't fully fulfilled. And the thing is, she's a great entertainer, beautiful girl, and she came out with a makeup line, and I think that's neat. I like that it's individually packaged. Let's just see. You tear it open, and there is your Perfect Strokes liner. It's a very pretty packaging. It's kind of a pale blush, matte finish with gold writing, which is very pretty. Oh, and there's the liner. That's really nice, y'all. It is that's an actual brush. Wow, instead of, the felt tip, that's an actual brush. So we'll see how it does. We'll do that along with everything. The mascara, we'll use that liner, and we'll use that palette. So you can see everything. I also got, actually for her, we'll use this palette. This is a Rare Beauty palette. I'm not sure if I'm keeping this. So let's just see why. I do like the coloring. It kind of mimics Kim Kardashian's coloring, her KK or whatever it is. KWK, Kim Kardashian West, KKW. In the coloring, but this is not matte finish. This is a glossy finish, and it looks very, very pretty. And it says, true to myself. Again, you can hear in that a theme of maybe she felt she lost herself in her relationship and had to find herself just as a single person instead of, being part of, what was it, Jelena, Justin and Selena. So this is fixing to jump over. I'm seeing it flash. So I'm just going to keep going, and we'll just keep unboxing stuff, and we'll just keep showing you my